Welcome back to the show. Okay, get ready to sing happy birthday.
Yeah, you gonna be. Just come
All right.
Hurry up, Daz.
Well, what's up?
You wanna hold your camera, Brian?
Huh?
You want me video? It's your birthday.
Oh, I'm gonna do that for right now. Huh.
Josh, go look on the chair and see if you see my black mask.
All right, so
I don't see it. It's the same time. Dang it. It was a plain one. I thought I had put it in here.
for what you doing? Acting crazy. He acting crazy, everybody. Oh, and I can't believe Janai ain't here. I'm disappointed.
She up talking about her people.
Oh, on our father's side of the family.
They got candles, y'all?
No candles. I couldn't find none. We don't have no more. Actually.
You want to take this off?
All right, look at that.
You want some cake back?
Oh, I wanted to take a picture of it.
Okay, take a picture.
All right, I'm gonna do it with this camera. I'll do it with this camera. Let me take a picture of it.
I see it. Happy birthday, Brian and Brock.
Oh, okay. All right.
You got it?
Wait, let me see.
Happy birthday, Brian and Brock.
All
Brock,
right.
how old are you?
Give me
Huh?
a knife.
Yeah. How old are you
Let's give me
today?
a knife so I can cut the cake for him right quick.
Huh? Huh?
All right.
You get 37 here?
No, 36.
36,
You
you
want
say.
37 the other day?
Oh, I must have slipped. All right. I must have slipped. Okay. Y'all ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brian and Bride. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you?
36.
How old are you?
36.
Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more. Thank y'all very much. All right.
Now you these things, huh?
Yeah, Naomi enjoyed herself. You enjoyed yourself, baby? Yeah, you on TV? All right. Hey.
Your mom gonna be right here.
Oh, okay. Right there. All right. Anybody else that couldn't make it, y'all sure missed one heck of a day.
You want a big piece, bro? Bro? You want a big piece?
All right. Well, I'll be right back. Bro, you can eat that upstairs. If you want. All right.
Did you
Be
have
right
ice
back with the
cream?
final thought.
I'm gonna get the ice cream. Move your stuff over there. Oh, you have ice cream?
So y'all getting ready to leave after this? Oh,
You
that's
want these? Want this?
You need a fork? Brian, where your forks at?
oh, forks is right over here.
I got it. Anybody
Got
else want a piece of cake?
Yeah, piece of pie.
Y'all need? You want a piece for now?
All right. Yeah, you see Riley's cracking up for no reason.
You don't have cake, Brian?
Huh?
You don't have, cake. Ice cream?
Oh yeah, Brock warming up in the microwave.
You warming it.
Yeah, to make it soft.
Yeah, that's good, or you want some?
Well,
You want a piece for Arthur?
I might as well stop this Dwayne, Nyla, Arthur, Brittany, and my cousin Erica and my friend Erica couldn't make it.
Yeah.
Shame on y'all.
They got forks.
Okay, you're lucky it wasn't
Oh,
nothing.
look right here.
I'll whoop y'all booties, okay?
Okay, come
Nyla,
on. You want these?
I wish you was watching. Brittany, I wish you was watching.
What about you, Riley?
Yep.
Huh?
And Shamika, shame on you. Shame on you, Shamika. Uh-huh. Wait till I see you on the street.
Big enough? Huh?
Hey, what you want to say, Fo? And Riley?
Come on, Riley. You want to
Yeah.
right here?
Wait till I see Shamika and Brittany.
Cut you and Denise.
Uh-oh.
Me. I put it on here.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna leave them. Sherry might put it on.
Who? Sharon?
You might put it on.
Oh, I hope so.
They have some pouch and got some chicken left.
Yep, Ricky said he was coming back, though.
It's I wrapped it up. I put a piece on there for me. Anybody else want some cake?
Brittany.
Anybody?
Shamika, who? Thank y'all for the birthday wishes, you know. But Brittany, how dare you? Shamika.
Anybody else want some cake before I close it up?
All right, nobody. I guess that's a no.
It's a no, Brian.
All righty.
Just like that.
Just like
We had
that.
a nice birthday party.
Yeah, it was nice, even though it was a short one.
It wasn't short. We've been here a while. We've been watching the game.
Yep. Oh, wait a minute, beat. And Ryan and Solomon, I'll get y'all too. Solomon, Ryan, how dare y'all? Not just Shamika and Brittany.
This for you? No, that's a D.
Shamika, Brittany, Dwayne, and Randy too. How dare y'all dirty dogs?
Oh, you're talking people out, Brian.
I'm what?
Talking about people.
Well, yeah, Cajun style, joking, whatever it is. Yeah.
Now you put a piece of bread.
Shamika next door, I'll get her too. Yeah, Shamika, how dare you? Call roll for me if you want, you heard me?
Well,
Yeah.
Terry didn't want a cake. Terry.
All right,
Yeah.
and cut.